Very cool. Coming up on a crab apple and a rosehip bush. So there's a lot of resources. Just putting them in the bandana up front. Hazelnut tree. With some hazelnuts on. Gonna cut you off and start collecting some. See you in a bit. I'm gonna get out some more apples and not gonna make you seasick anymore, so see you in a bit. This looks like a good spot. Plenty of fuel, and I think I will take this. This is what I'm doing today. We got carrots, tomato, no, sorry, potato, homegrown, and a store-bought red onion. Got some more potatoes, so I'm gonna make a soup. So gonna peel these and get back to you when the stuff is in the pot. So the soup is nearly done. Just gonna add some always I keep this in my pot. I just dump it out when I use the pot. So just gonna add some spice to it, and a meat bouillon cube. Or not the whole one, but half of it. Then I have my spice jar, one of them. Some salt. And some pepper. And some garlic. Always has a tendency to jam up in there. So I'm gonna play with that and get back to you. Was a bit out of frame, but I've cut up the apples and cleaned out the rose hips. So thinking of making a fruit soup, and got a cup nesting. It's a toothbrush mug. It's stainless, so it works. Got a couple of bouillon cubes as well, some chaga or springticka as it's called in Swedish, coffee, and the mug itself. So gonna pack it full with the fruit and get some water in there and change it out with the one I have going in my stove. So quick and easy. So that's gonna sit until it's a bit cooler and I'll eat it, then be back with you. So the soup is ready to eat, but something to drink as well. So I got this one. It's a Eagle. I think it's Eagle Products. I think it's a Norwegian company, and normally have this content in it, but I removed it, and it's got a nice copper bottom to it, and as the stove is already in use, so I thought I would go with a alcohol burner. It's nothing special, so but it fits the bottle perfectly. And let's light it up. I'm not sure what I'm going to drink, so it is a 1.5 liter kettle, and stainless, very thin in its construction, so it heats up pretty good, and wide enough to cook in. Um, there's the first time I saw the model, it was Rasmus that had it. Um, he's in some of my videos, weekend bushcrafters. So and when I found it, I had to have it. His model is a bit smaller, but very nice cattle. The fruit soup is starting to thickening up, and now it's starting to rain. Got the soup here. Tastes delicious, and my drink, chaga tea. Going to let it sit and so gonna pack up the stuff and move under the tarp, and then I'll be getting home that way. So thank you guys for watching, and wait a minute, I have to show you the setup. I got a request to talk about this shelter piece, so I'm gonna get on it later on, and tell you what mods I've done to it and so forth and so on. So that will act as my rain poncho when I walk out of here later on. So thank you for watching, and thank you for commenting and supporting and liking, of course. See you on the next one. Bye.